Hello everyone, this is Mahesh Kamath here, founder of MK Trading School. In this session, I will discuss the overview of Bank Nifty basis on supply and demand trading methodology. So Bank Nifty, let's start with the monthly chart. Strong uptrend, no change in that. Weekly Bank Nifty reacting to this supply zone. Let's mark that level. So if you see last few weeks, it is stuck at that particular supply zone. And now on a daily chart. So if you remember the last weekly overview, we had discussed that Bank Nifty had broken multiple demand zones on a daily chart. So was looking bearish and we had identified a short opportunity there. If you see condition of the trend, we are pretty much into a sideways trend at the moment on the daily chart. Since it had broken multiple demand zones, we were interested in looking for a short opportunity here. And on a 125-minute time frame, there was this supply zone, drop base drop. So Bank Nifty gapped into that supply. You had a nice move out from that supply zone and it came back and covered the gap here. There was a gap up demand also on the way up. So let's mark that demand zone. So you have this demand zone because of the gap up over there. Since it's demand, let's change the color to green. So we went short on Bank Nifty, got a nice move till this demand zone. So whenever you are shorting as per supply demand trading, your target, not even short, even for the long, your targets are opposing levels. So if you are shorting at supply, target would be opposing demand. If you are going long at demand, target would be opposing supply zone. So a quick move on Bank Nifty. Now if you see, it came back to this demand, but personally I did not go long at this demand zone because it didn't fit the rules. So there was no zone achievement in this level, so I avoided going long, covered my short here. And now if you see price action, it is making higher lows. You have bottoming tails on the candles indicating that now this supply may give way. It will breach the supply most likely. It's gone deeper into supply. First test was a shallow test, deeper test, indication now that this supply may be breached. So where is the next supply zone? All the way up you have this drop base drop formation and another level on top. So rally base drop at the extreme. So there are two levels here. Let's mark that supply. So if you go to a daily chart, this is your rally base drop formation even on the daily time frame. So as a Bank Nifty trader, what you should do at the moment, wait for breach of this supply zone. This supply zone is tested deep but not completely violated, not completely broken that supply. So let it break this supply. If it comes to this extreme, since in a sideways trend, you can go for a confirmation short at this level. Since the wide level, you can look for a deeper entry inside with your stop loss beyond the high, but it has to be a confirmation short. And if the supply zone which is holding currently around 35,000 to 35,140 levels is broken convincingly, you may find some smaller time frame demand zones for an intraday long. So wait for price action. If you find some good intraday demand zones which has broken this supply, then you can look to go long there. So that's my view on Bank Nifty. In case you find this analysis handy, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get the notifications whenever we post any new video.